What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 21.5, down up 0.47 on the day. Sitting at market cap of 409 billion, 24-hour volume 25.24 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So potentially if 20.7 is broken, it validates a wave 2 pullback, and it would invalidate this wave count. What we're looking at here is that we've come up in a 1-2. We're looking for a wave 3, and right now we put in a 1-2 1-2. But if we break that low, it will invalidate that 1-2, and we'll have to look at a different wave count. Personally, I think this is a wave 4 pullback. This is what I'm looking at here. So I'm going to put this on the 4-hour time frame. So we're coming up in a wave 4, and what we've done here is we put in a WXY. So we've come up in an A, B, C to make the W. We have an A, B, C to create the X, and a final A, B, C to create the Y. The completion of a wave 4, and now we're coming down in a wave 5. That's what I think is the more likely scenario. I do not think the bottom is in, but any break below this wave 3 low can complete a wave 5 to the downside. All right, guys, but our next strong level of support is in between 11 to 13K. Now, if we do bounce from this level and see continuation, then potentially what we can look at is we're going to put in a wave 3 to the upside. And to measure that, you could take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1. Remember, we had this leading diagonal pattern. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete the wave 1 in orange. So take your trend-based fib extension, bottom of wave 1 to the top. Oh, the top is right here, to the bottom of wave 2. And your target for a wave 3 would be 27.9K. if we can bounce from this level. I don't know if that's the likely scenario, but that is the bullish wave count for BTC. Now, if we simply just see a little bit of relief or consolidate, we come lower, we break 20.7K, your next strong level of support is all the way down at about 19,000 for our friend Bitcoin. Now, if we look at our next chart, which is here on the 4-hour time frame, now, it depends where you're drawing your falling wedge. This is why I don't trade patterns. Some traders are probably looking at it like this, like, okay, we met the technical target. We may see a bounce, which there definitely is potential. We've seen some strong sell-off. We are at a level of support. So we could have an opportunity to bounce here for our friend BTC. But if you had pulled your trend line all the way down to this level of support, then your target is all the way down at about 19.7K. for Bitcoin. So just watch for that as well. We have come down to a strong level of support. If we look at our indicators here on, let's check the 4-hour time frame. We are quite oversold. We're starting to see a little bit of relief here. So if we do bounce, the levels of resistance to watch is about 22.8K. That's a major level right here. The 0.5 coming in at 22.8. That would be a massive level in my opinion. But we have come down. We've broken below the golden ratio. It does. And we have come all the way back down to where we started. So if we just come up and get rejected by the golden ratio, we can start to continue. We see that continuation to the downside, which can take you down to the 1.272 at 19.5, the 1.618 at about 18.2K. But if we do break above the golden ratio, especially if we break above 20.8K, we come up, we hold it as support once again. That'd be higher confluence that we're going to put in a wave 3. But personally, I think we've completed our wave 4 pullback, put in a WXY, and we're coming down for that wave 5. We'll have to see what happens here for our friend Bitcoin. Big shout out to the Discord. We have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can get my own analysis as well as my exact entries, exits, and take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades. Just added some more to my spot trades here. I won't open it up because then everything will just be visible. You can also see what I'm doing with my HODL alt positions, my long-term portfolio, and 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Sign up through the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, $4,500 in bonuses. You can check out my full-length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.